entrepreneur in HR sector for over 20 years. Over the course of my journey, my passion became to help people in their career. Apart from any political idea or belief, I observe talented young Syrian people driven to bad job conditions. On the other hand, we have shortage of English-speaking workforce in payroll sector. So, I decided to match this supply and demand in a smart and meaningful way. So, with the help of United Works Foundation, I found a group of highly motivated Syrian applicants. We are training them in a payroll career path. Their energy and motivation passes on and making this project very fulfilling to me and the participants.
I worked in Syria as a petrochemical engineer.
I studied agriculture engineering.
I'm an electric system engineering.
I came here 3 years ago and I worked a lot of things, a lot of works here in Turkey.
I worked before with translation from Turkish Arabic, Arabic Turkish, but I go out from my work because I wanted to develop my Turkish language and start with a new job, give me with a new development and a new experience.
3 weeks ago, started to this course, and actually here Datassist is a big institution or a big company about accounting job.
Now I'm working in Datassist. It's a very good experience.
I applied to Datassist to get a new job, but after that I discovered this is not only for a job. This is give me a new experience because training is very important, and I meet many people with a good experience and development.
I talked a lot. I learned a lot. I'm glad to be here.